Ipsy Boxycharm. Let's see what's inside, shall we? First I see in here is, oh, a newsletter from Boxycharm. This is from Alamar. This is a Latina fronted brand, which was also founded. This is the cheek palette, Viva las Chicas. Get it? Play on the cheek. Very cute. And I don't know why, but it's kind of reminding me of the Too Faced palettes that they come out with those cute little catchy names. I don't know if this is a scented thing or not, but it's really cute. I love the packaging and the presentation. And it looks like it's the highlighter, the contour, and the blush. Periwinkle and Pop Soft Sculpting Blush. It's been a while since I've seen something from Seraphine, but I like it. This is so cute. Look at that. Adorbs. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's see. Okay, so it has like a flowery imprint on it. Very cute. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna, oh, it's very soft too. I just did that real quick. And I'm gonna do this so you can see what it looks like. Pretty. Very pretty. Setting powder. Oh my goodness. And it's in like it looks like a pink color. That was the trend a little while ago that was trending, like using pink powder or pink setting powder. Okay. So that's what it looks like. This is the packaging. Ooh, it looks like it's already open. Was this supposed to be open? I, I don't know what's going on with Oprah, but it just seems like everything seems to be either open or I don't know. I thought that there would be like a protective thing, but this is already open. Brightening concealer. I have been eyeing the foundation stick that they have, but I've been hearing really good stuff about their foundation as well. So I am all out ready to try it, but I've been hearing really good things about this brand. Here, like so. And there's like a triangular doe foot. Is it triangular? And I'm just gonna put that under here like so. I like I can get in the corners like here, which is good. Around the nose. I remember, I know I have a couple of products in the past from Liss. Oh, LYS Beauty, I call it Liss. But I'm just gonna, I don't have a brush nearby, so I'm just applying it with my fingers. Like so. Just to, get that done. There we go. Nice. It applies well. I don't know why, but I feel like it's creamy, but it's not. It feels a little, I don't know what it is. I'm going to just check this right now, but the coverage is really nice. I just wanted to see something here because I could show you how it looks on the skin, but the coloring is right for me. I don't know why, but I feel like there's a little bit of I don't want to say grainy texture, but it just feels like, I don't know, there's a little something to it. I don't want to say there's an exfoliating action, but it just doesn't, it feels like there's something in there. I don't know. This is the packaging. It's an eyeshadow primer. Okay. Like so. So eye primer, huh? But I smell a fragrance. I don't know why. It's from Formula Z and it's called Glam Gasm. I don't think I've heard of Formula Z. I don't believe I've ever had Formula Z on this channel. Look how cute. Look how cute. Wow, this is definitely, oh my gosh. So it opens like this, and it has some shimmers and some mattes as well. This looks like a all around everyday type of eyeshadow. The palettes themselves are like really small. I mean, look how tiny they are. And I'm assuming that might be a blush even, to be quite honest. That could probably be used as a contour. It's very simplistic, you know, trying to, feels very smooth. And I'm just gonna pop this on. Why not? As a base. And also to wake up this area a bit. Mm, 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 mm. I want to use this darker brown here. The coloring right there. I think I want to put it at the end like so. Lighter brown. And just go over it like so. That is really nice. And it's applying really well with a finger, you know. I have to say, I like that. And you just blend, 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 blend. Like that. I am just getting back into eyeshadows. It's been a long while since I have put any on. And I sort of like resolved to start reintroducing eyeshadow into my routine. Like, see, like so. But see, it is fading kind of if I keep applying it. But I want to try this green. How pretty that is. Ooh. I'm going to put that like in the middle. Oh, this is gorge. Look at that. Ooh, definitely something to play with. Oh, wow, that's really, really pretty. And then just blend it in like so. Apparently, the trend for eye makeup is like a soft grunge look. So we're definitely going back to 90s makeup, early 2000s. I'm not mad at it. But for beginning makeup people, people who are just starting their makeup journey, this is now a great time to start playing with makeup because there's no set look. It's not like cut creases and everything has to be at an angle, 45 degrees, you know, and use, you know, tape or whatever. This is just a look that you just, I don't want to say slap on, but there's no pressure for it to be perfect. I'm liking that. That's really pretty. I'm definitely going to be playing with this more. This blush. Wow. It is pigmented. Less is definitely more. Yeah. So, so cute. Like I said, less is definitely more. I like that. I'm not getting into the contouring part. I think I'm going to keep it simple. But nice. Unassuming, you know. But the color payoff is pretty darn good. I wonder how much this is. I'll put the price somewhere here. I don't want to know if it costs a fortune because it, you know, the packaging is, it's plastic. It feels very drugstory. So, but if I had to choose between packaging and product, of course, I would want the product to be good. I haven't gone too crazy with the look, but I just wanted to show the concealer. I mean, I don't even have to put on for me, I wouldn't mind walking out the house like this. The only thing I would need maybe is maybe a little lip gloss or something like that. I totally forgot that I do have this here, but I just wanted to try it straight out of the packet. Just put a little on. Why not? This feels so soft and so pink, but you can see the color difference. One's more peachy. This one seems a little more peachy, and this is definitely more pink. So there you go. I just need to tone that down a bit. And that is essentially it. No, I'll try this powder. Why not? I'm just not understanding why it's open like this. It should not be open. Let me see. Yeah, this is already like open. And if it had like a protective case, I don't know. Okay, I'm using one of my trusty E.L.F. finger brushes. Uh, Puffs, I mean. Just gonna tap it like so. And then put, ooh, that's really pink. That is super pink. Again, on the side here. And then, ooh, that is really pink. Not for nothing, but this could be a blush. That's how pink it is. Again, on the side like so. It does brighten the face though, but it just gives that very pink energy. Hmm. That powder does add a brightness to the skin. I'm not gonna lie. So now I'm taking a fluffy brush, making sure there's nothing on it, and then just brushing off the excess of it. But it does seem to wake up my skin a bit. I'm not gonna. Hmm. And that's essentially it. Wow, that's really. But I have to say that eyeshadow, it's calling me. I may be diving in more into it and trying out different looks. And I like there's more than one look to play. And I like the fact that there's a blush in there. Infallible 3-second setting spray, which has been making the rounds on the internet lately. I bought it, I might as well use it. But do not have your eyes open for this or your mouth, and try not to breathe it in. It's basically hairspray for the face. Since I don't have my brushes and I have a completed look, I'm going to save this for my next video to review. I hope you don't mind. So what do you think? My overhead light just went off, so it has to be recharged. There's nothing I can do about that. But what do you think? I'm really liking this look. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And are you a Boxycharmer hipster? Is that what we're calling it now? Because Ipsy bought Boxycharm, so now they are together, which is interesting, and it has been an adjustment. But I'm really liking my Boxycharm Ipsy today, and I'm really happy with my look. I look awake. I look pretty. I look ready to go. I really like the look. I mean, at least what I see in the camera. I may look at this later in the edit and go, oh my gosh, what was I thinking? But anything that I use here with my fingers, my hands are clean, my fingertips are clean. I don't go into any makeup with dirty fingers. And also, these products are for my personal use. They are not going to be shared. I am not a pro makeup artist by any stretch. And I've mentioned that several times before in this channel throughout the years that I've had it. But I'll repeat it again. I'm a makeup enthusiast. I am not a pro MUA. I'm not certified. I just like to dabble with makeup. It brings me joy. What about you? Does makeup bring you joy? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. And even better, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure, and I hope to see you on my next video. And I will notate in the comments below or in the description box the rest of this made up look, because I added a lipstick from Maybelline and a liner as well as mascara. That's it. That's my look. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.